Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maida and this is Maida Pours, and I upload acrylic pouring demonstration tutorials. So if that is something that you like to watch, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, please do hit that like button, as it really helps a new YouTuber such as myself. Today, as you can see, I've already flooded my canvas with black paint, and we're going to be playing with this funnel right here. Now, I just did my very first funnel pour. Did not come out quite as I expected. That video might already be uploaded. I don't know. I think I'm going to upload it. Might do this one first, not sure. So this time I just decided to keep the canvas totally black, not trying to do anything fancy, no split base here. And I actually got a smaller funnel than I used the last time. This is the small one. The set I got was a set of 3. It was like big, medium, small. I used the medium one on the last pour. This time I'm going to use the small one right here. I still have all the same colors, but you might not have seen that other video, so let's show them to you again. I've got this Craftsmart Satin Enamel White. First time I've ever used this. I've got, these are all, okay, and this one is Pewter, and it's an Amsterdam paint, and the rest of these are all golden paints. I've got Dioxazine purple. I'm totally mispronouncing things, these paint names. Magenta, let's call it Magenta. Paynes gray, Quinacridone magenta. Iridescent fine gold, and Manganese blue. So I'm actually going to, I do have it on my Lazy Susan because we might spin it, we might tilt it, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely having fun playing with that. And I think we're going to start in this corner down here. We're going to start with a little bit of white. Start with the white. And then we're going to go kind of blue, cool tone to warm tone. We're going to alternate. So we have the blue. We're going to go with some gold. Some magenta. Some Paynes gray. Some pewter, and last but not least, some purple, and maybe just a little bit of white sprinkled over the top there. Okay, and we're going to kind of let this out of the funnel. The white, I might have to rethink this white. It definitely is, but we'll see what happens. Just letting it kind of trail off down here. Trail off down the corner. All right. I might go over this again. Never used this white before. I'm not sure how it's reacting. If it completely overtakes, then I might just kind of go over it again. Okay. Build it up, so to speak. We're going to go ahead and move these out of the way here. Give this a little spin. Should go in the other direction. I like how the spinning kind of like, it just, I like it. I'm enjoying it. I think I might invest in it. I've spent like $9 on this Lazy Susan just to see how I liked using one. I think I might spring for a $20 Lazy Susan. This one is a little shaky, but definitely enjoy it. Definitely. So we're gonna go ahead and spread this out. I think I'm gonna do a few more funnel trips. Stretch it out a little bit. It's neat, it's pretty, stuff is happening, it's fun. Okay, not mad at it. We're gonna keep playing. See what happens. Okay, so we're gonna take this funnel. We're gonna start with a magenta. And then we're going to go the bright blue, the gold, ooh, to the pewter. Oops, it's okay. We're gonna pull it over there. Little Paynes gray. Smidgen of white, just a smidgen. And just a smidgen of purple. I think I might start with a purple for my last go. We'll see. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this. That way. See what develops here. Torch. Put my torch up kind of high. Got a new torch. It's pretty powerful. Okay. Move these out of the way. Give it a spin. Give it a tilt. Okay, stuff's popping up out of there. Okay. Let's give it another spin. Ooh, little cells are popping up in the river of purple right there. River of magenta, river of purple. What's that a river of? What color is that river? Tilt it just a little bit. And I'm debating doing one more kind of small one. Small? Small the right word? Kind of coming this way. Let's see. Or coming out this way. Yeah, like that. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get our funnel started right here. I'm committing right there. And we're gonna start with gold. And then I'm gonna do the purple. And I'm gonna do some magenta. And blue. And pewter. And we're gonna just dance it over to this corner. Oop. I just poured paint all over it. That's okay though. It's on my pad there. It's fine. And a torch. We're gonna tilt some of this just has to tilt off over here. I should have used way less paint for that last little flow, but hey, we live, we learn. We'll leave it down like that. Give it a spin. Eek. Doing a bad job balancing this. Doing a bad job talking too. I'm really just focusing on this piece, seeing what I'm gonna do with it, what's gonna happen. It almost reminds me of like octopus tentacles. Do you know what I mean? Like coming off of the body of an octopus. That's what it's making me think about. And I like it. Oh, way. I keep spinning it in like different directions. All right. There we go. I like how this spinning kind of causes little cell reactions to happen, which is why I'm just like spinning it out a bit. All right. This one is definitely going to have the title of octopus tentacles or something along the line of octopus tentacles. Wipe my dirty hands off. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying playing with this funnel quite a bit. I'm starting to wonder, why did I take so long to experiment with this? I think this is actually going to be something I kind of use more often. I really enjoy the effects that it creates. No silicone was used in any of my paints. Any reactions is from it going through the funnel, the different densities interacting. I do use Floetrol as a pouring medium that will also encourage cells. I have been told by many wise people on the social medias. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you down for a close-up. I am loving this. All right, here's a close-up. I love it. I hope you love this one as much as I do. I love these effects. My kids are coming home, so this is sort of perfect timing for finishing this up. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button, and if you like watching videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.